And the contestant today is named BoDuke. So let's bring him out. Come on!
Okay, so here's the game. We have variety of kernels with papers on them, which challenges that me and Mia will have to do.
Hold on, show the host.
Or
Show the host. No, that one.
oh, there's host BoDuke. Shake it off. Shake it off. Don't copyright me. Okay, so anyway, that's gonna be a starter off. So pretty much whichever one he picks, there's a lucky where he gets 3 treats, right, Bo? Thanks for looking at the camera.
So each one has.
You ready, Bo? 3, 2, 1, go. Which one does he want? And it looks like he's going for this one. Now don't let him eat the rest of the kernels. So let's bring the table to the special table, and let's stop this Jeopardy music.
Show our host.
Oh, okay, we have to get a shout out.
Stop.
Music.
Show our host stop.
Nova.
Okay, I'll read
Nova Rose. I'm not sure if this is free. Actually, yeah, I think it is free.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is Bo's lucky one.
Did Bo get the lucky one? Bo gets a 3 treats.
And since he got that one, we're going to do one more round because the other ones are really challenging.
Okay, so he will get 3 treats, like we said, but we will have to get one more. So, Bo, which one do you want?
Here's his 3 treats. Okay, there's his 3 treats. Entertain them with this dog. I'm going to get his treats.
Okay, let's go get his treats. So, this is Bo. Post-game interview. I'm in my pajamas. How do you feel about winning 3 treats? Lick of the lips. Trying to get away. Where are you going? Okay, Mia is back with the things that we will get BoDuke. Oh, we have.
Hold him back for a sec.
Okay.
Hold our host.
Also, guys, at the end, we will have a shout out because if you guys know right now, we're going to start shout outs. So go in the comment section below of the newest video or in this video and say, I want to be shouted out. So all you guys have to do is subscribe and you guys can say, I want shout out.
He's ready.
Okay, you ready, Bo? Get one of these. You ready? Go! Bo? Come on, get one of these. You can eat treats.
What, you think I have any? I don't have any.
Get one of those.
What is that face?
Dumb. Oh, where's he going? He's supposed scared of these treats?
He doesn't want to be watched. No, just don't stand
Okay, we'll give him.
Oh, he got it!
Oh, he's got one. He's got one.
Okay.
It's this one. He pulled this one off.
Okay.
100%. Okay. This is the challenge. Mia, you backed off last time, but we're not going to back off this time. You ready? 20 seconds outside. So, guys, look outside. It's not a nice day out. How are you going to feel, man? We both have to do this, so let's get our socks off.
No, you don't have to do it.
Oh, okay. Because I'm filming.
And he has a concussion.
And I got concussion.
Does BoDuke have to go outside?
No, Bo does not have to go outside.
No.
Don't. Just stay there for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Don't go outside. 4, 5, 6. That was so ruined. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come in. Oh, that's bad. Oh, it's full of snow. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, well, Mia has to go get a towel to dry off. We're giving our shout out of the day. So we had our first comment of someone else that we don't know. Let's find his real name just real quick. And it was actually a SuperBoDuke. He wanted us to say his name, but we can't. Sorry. We have to respect our BoDuke elder. But we said we would give him a shout out. His name is. There's gonna be a link to his channel in the description below, and also his name is BoDuke 2, the original. So him and us are the original. I think he's more the original because he did it before us. But anyway, so bye. Before we go. So what I guys want you to do is go down to the comment right now, and what you guys need to do is subscribe to the channel, then go down in the comments below and say, shout out. I want the shout out. Shout out. I want the shout out. And we'll give you a shout out in the next video like we did to BoDuke 2, the original. Again, link in the description below to his channel. So thank you guys for watching, and we will will catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.